Hello and welcome to this web briefcase video on our new device performance audit tool. You've probably used a Windows PC which seems to get slower and slower and slower over time. This causes you frustration, increased stress, and lowers productivity. What can you do? I suppose you could throw the PC in the bin, but that'd be quite wasteful. Actually, you can fix it. Use our audit tool as a guide, and if you need to, share the guide with your IT staff. Start your browser and go to www.webbriefcase.com. In the search field, type in the word device. As you type the word, search results will show, and one of those search results will be device performance audit. Click on that one to start the tool. When the tool shows on the screen, you'll see a shareable link hyperlink at the top of the tool. Just click on that one, the page will refresh, and it'll go straight to the tool. You can also use that link to share it with the IT team if you need to, or use it to bookmark the page. Work your way through the checklist. The items have been presented in priority order with quick wins at the top. The tool will remember which of the checkboxes you've checked, so you can keep coming back and just continually improve it until hopefully your PC works a bit quicker. I'm sure at least one of the items in the list will help you to improve the performance of your device. Thank you for your time. Bye.